Same concept, same grip supply, except we're gonna start just knee on belly today. We're not gonna do the pass and all that kind of stuff. I hope you guys know how to pass the guard. Well, some of you do at least, not all of you. Right, we're gonna do knee on belly. So side control, best way to get my partner to turn on his side is give him a reason to. The best reason to is a good knee to the sternum. He'll push and turn right away. I cup his head, I pull it to his shoulder, right? The more I pull it up, the easier it should be for me to stick my arm over his armpit and as deep as I can, okay? The deeper the better. Forearm in, look, cover the head. If I'm having a hard time getting my hand deep, look, pull his neck and then lock it. Now from here, focus more on putting your chest down as you squeeze. Super simple. Same concept, same rules apply. We're just gonna start in the side control. Pop up, knee on the sternum, make him turn. Pull the head, stick the arm through, lock it, chest forward, and squeeze. Okay, a couple important details. Let's make sure we keep our partner's elbow in between our body. If we're having a really hard time doing that, as we pop up and he hip escapes, right, you can pull his arm. It helps, right? Especially if he has an underhook. Even if he has an underhook, look here, once I get through, I need to step over the arm, lock it up. Same things apply. Questions? No? Let's do it. 1, 2, 3.